Hello friend! In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this Sakura Pigma brush pen and I have some opinions about it, so let's get right into it. This specific pen that I'm showing you is a felt tip brush pen and it comes in a variety of colors. As you can see, the ink flow is very generous and it creates a really solid color, but it doesn't feel like super juicy like some other brush pens. Sometimes a really juicy brush pen can feel like it is just pouring out ink and can tend to feel a bit messy. So it's kind of like it's a nice clean feel, but a really strong color, if that makes sense. This brush pen tip is also very flexible and soft, but pretty skinny, so that can create some issues with transitioning strokes from thick to thin, especially when you're going around those curves. It's not awful, but I wouldn't say that it's the best for beginners either. It just feels like it might not be as forgiving as some other brush pens that have a bit thicker of a tip. One great thing about this brush pen is that it is very water resistant. Even in the close-up, I'm having a hard time seeing any color bleed, but what I am seeing is fraying and I have used this brush pen before this video, but not much because I did purchase it for this pen a day challenge, yet already I see some of those wispy strokes that make me think this pen has already frayed a bit. Now I understand that most brush pens do fray, but that feels pretty quick to me. That plus the fact that this tip felt super soft and delicate, I just do not imagine that this is going to be a pen that has a super long life. Especially for the price, because it wasn't the most expensive brush pen, but it also was not cheap. So I don't have multiple colors of this brush pen, but I will leave a link below for you to check out the pack if you want to see what other colors they have. Make sure to follow over on Instagram at How to Hand Letter if you'd like more lettering tips and pen reviews, and I will see you in my next video for the next review in our Pen a Day challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.